Hi you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I decided to show you guys me applying these amazing viral press-on nails. This is the BTartbox nail set. It is the X Coat Tip 3-in-1 soft gel system, and it is pretty much I paid about $40 for this entire kit. It comes with the press-on nails of every nail size. Everybody can fit this press-on nail system. It comes with the glue, it comes with the top coat, it comes with the finishing coat, it comes with a nail file, and it comes with this light where you can harden the glue and harden the polish. And this, you guys, I was completely blown away. Like, I just could not believe it. I was like, you know what? I will never be getting my nails done ever again. And this is the reason why I even bought the nail kit, because I was like, I'm tired of getting my nails done. It's too expensive. It's never the way you like it. And then the people don't even like you half the time. So I'm not spending my money with people that don't like me and don't respect my dollar. So I'm just showing you guys what it comes with. Here is the top coat. It has the number marked on it, number 1, number 2. It's very self-explanatory, very, very easy. It comes with this glue. It says that it lasts for 28 days, and the glue is so strong, you guys. I still have the nails on to this day, and I filmed this video probably like 2 weeks ago. So it comes with the different nails. You can do different designs if you want. You can get almond shape, you can get square, you can get short, you can get longer. They have so many different options, designs, no designs. Designs, no design, it's up to you. So here I am just fitting the nails. It's so easy. And I have very small nail beds, so I was like so excited that they have options. They have options for every nail size. So I'm fitting it and deciding how am I going to do it and just testing it out. And the nails are actually very soft. Surprisingly, they don't feel like plastic or anything. I mean, yes, it's plastic. Yes, it's plastic, but they're soft. Like it says, it's soft. So here I am just measuring which one goes with which nail. Very simple, very easy. And I'm picking out 2 for each hand. So, yeah, you guys, it's super, super easy. It reminds me of like if I was younger doing nails while I'm younger, but this is like more high level because the glue, it really does last, and it's a good quality nail. I was very, very, very surprised. And so I was like, wow, I would have, honestly, you guys, I would have never thought about wearing press-on nails. But from here on out, I definitely will be doing press-on nails. And I wanted to just do the kit. Now you can get fancy and buy different nail beds and buy different nail supplies and stuff like that, but I wanted to just try it from what they provide in the box if I wanted to just do my nails and I had nothing else. So that is why I'm doing it this way. Now, of course, it's all trial and error, and I'm figuring out as I go for the first time. So I would definitely, of course, maybe try some different nail supplies and stuff like that to push my cuticles back a little bit more. But I just wanted to try it straight up out of the box. And so that is exactly what I did. So just here trying out the nails and seeing what goes with what. Now I went ahead and I take my nail file and I am buffing out the nail bed. And I am getting that prepared and prepped. I'm getting that prepped and ready for the glue application. So I'm doing that on each nail. Very simple, very easy. I am also using this to push my cuticles back a little bit. Very, very easy. So now I did make a mistake and I added a big, well, not big, but I added like a pea-sized amount of glue on my nail and on my actual nail and on the press-on, and I don't recommend doing it like that because I had glue seeping out, and this glue dries really, really fast when you put it under the light. So I would recommend choosing which one you're going to put it on. Are you going to put it on your actual nail, or are you going to put it on the fake nail and then apply it like that? I actually did it on both, and it just made it spill out a little bit on the sides, and I had to clean it up, but I mean, it still worked out. So next time I do it, I'll just do a very even layer all over my nail, and then I'll apply the press on to my nail and then put it under the light. So it won't be as messy next time. And so once you put it under the light lasts about 1 minute, so it hardens right away, and it's firm, it's sturdy. I couldn't believe it. Like, I could not believe how it felt like real nails. Like, it wasn't going nowhere. The glue was hard. It was like cement. It wasn't going nowhere. And I still have the nails on till this day, and they haven't given me any trouble. They're not lifting. They're not doing, they have not broken. They have not cracked. They haven't done anything. So I really, really, really love this, and I'm going to do more videos and of me doing my own nails because I'm just completely blown away. If you have an event coming up, if you don't want to get your nails done anymore, if you want to start doing your own nails at home, I think this is great, beginner friendly nail kit, and I love it. You got many options. If you want to go short, you can go short. If you want to go long, you can go long, and you can get so many sets out of it. I mean, it's about five pieces inside, so you can do so many sets, and it's just so amazing. So I am so excited that I came across this, and again, very, very easy. Just do a very thin layer, and make sure you press it down so you don't get any air bubbles. Make sure you press it really, really good into your actual nail so that it does not have any air bubbles. But yeah, you guys, I think you totally should try these out. They're really, really good. I was so incredibly impressed. The light does its job. It hardens it immediately, and it's stuck on there, like literally stuck on there. And the glue is actually easy to remove if it spills out like I did. It was easy for me to do that, so I was able to clean it up the way I want to. And then, of course, I just filed the top of the nail because it had where I removed it from, where you remove it. There's like a bulging part at the top. I don't know how to explain it properly, you guys, but yeah, here it is, and it looks really, really good. So now I'm just going to finish applying that to my pinky nail, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply the top coat polish, and also the second coat, which makes it harder. And it actually looks really, really pretty matte. So if you didn't want to put any top coat on there, you don't have to. You can wear it just like the way it is. But if you want to add the top coat to make it harder and stronger, you can do that. But I think it looks really, really pretty matte as well. So it's personal preference. And so you go ahead and add the top coat, which makes it really, really hard and durable, which they already are pretty good. Very strong, but this coat here makes it very, very strong and hardens the nail and makes it feel more like you just got your nails done. I've gotten so many compliments on these nails. People who see these nails, they thought they were done professionally. People blown away, can't even believe that I did it myself. And it's easy. It really is easy, and anybody can do it. So if you want to stop getting your nails done, I highly recommend this nail kit. Very, very nice, and you have many options. So here I am just adding the second coat, which is the actual clear polish, and this also hardens the nail as well. So yeah, you guys, this is it. They are so gorgeous, so beautiful, so flawless. You literally just measure which nail goes with your nail, and you apply it with the glue, put it under the light, and you're done. And that's pretty much it. It's so easy. It doesn't take long at all. Even if you break a nail and you need to apply it again, it takes 2 seconds to fix it. It's so easy. I love it. I love this. I'm definitely going to be doing more nail tutorials in the future. And of course, I'm going to be upping my game, buying more nail supplies, different things that you need to use for your nails, maybe also getting into acrylic as well. But I'm totally dedicated to doing my own nails from this day forward. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely something new. And yeah, really good. Highly recommend. Highly recommend. Very beautiful, very natural, very classy. And you can get any design you want. And if you don't want to have to buy anything else for your nails, you don't have to, because the kit has literally everything that you're going to need to do your nails and look pretty for prom, for wedding, for any occasion, anything. It's perfect for everybody. And so yeah, I can't say anything else. I can't speak more highly of this company, of these nails. Very impressed. So I have the link and everything in the description box if you guys want to try it yourself. And just here I am pressing, and it sounds so good. Sounds like nails. No one would ever know. no one would ever know that this is press-ons. So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you next time for another video and more nail tutorials. Bye.